In order to record exam results online, it is necessary to access your own private area through the university's website. Click on Login in the left-hand menu. Key in your credentials, username and password to access the various functions. Clicking on Exam Dates, then Exam Schedule, displays the list of courses whose exam dates you can manage online. To access the list of exam dates, click on the icon to the right of the name of the relevant didactic activity. This brings you to the list of set exam dates, which for each exam specifies the date, time, and number of students registered for it. Click on the last icon to the right in order to view the list of students who have registered for the exam date and to access all functions associated with the online recording of the exam. This page contains various functions. You may order the list of students by booking date, student registration number, or surname/name using the cursors designed for that purpose. The default setting lists the registered students in order of the booking. Moreover, clicking on the name of the student will display a list of the exams sat by the student in relation to solely the didactic activities that the exam date relates to. You may print out a list of the registered students by clicking on the relevant link. To independently add a student to the list, including on the day of the exam itself, click on Add Student. Clicking on the Input Results link opens a page in which it is possible to input the results by selecting them from the drop-down menu. If you wish to input exam questions, it is necessary to click on the Exam Questions icon next to the drop-down menu and fill up the relevant field in the Student Data section. After inputting the desired data, click on Save to return to the previous page, or click on the arrow button to access the data of the next student who has registered for the exam date. Always save the results before clicking on Exit, because otherwise the data will not be saved. Never use the back button of the browser to return to the previous menu. Once all of the results have been input and saved, click on Exit. This brings you back to the list of registered students with their results input. In this case, once the results have been input, they must be published so that the students can view their grades in their own private area. The first step is to click on the Publish Results link. The screen that opens up will display the exam dates and list of registered students. The system's default setting selects all registered students. The system also indicates as absent all students for whom the results have not been input so far. Therefore, it is advisable to correctly populate the results with the respective figures, including in cases of withdrawal. For all students selected, clicking on the Continue button will publish their results. To proceed, click on the Publish Results button, which opens up the publication confirmation page. Click on Confirm. At this point, the results are published and visible to the students. The system's default setting selects all of the students, but not all exam result reports are generated because there are some cases that are handled differently by the system.